What is the problem? Why I gather for here this morning?
The problem why I gather here this morning. Now the flood problem. Every year since I came to Bayelsa State, this street have been flooded. All our things, we should hang about there for the land. Now all the things where we plant around us, all the plantain don't die, the bitter leaf don't die, the scent leaf don't die. Hungry 9 days, why our children in their school, we cannot be able to again to send them back to school because of the hunger in the land. We want governor to go for our head, and we are suffering down there for our neck. We don't drink for the suffering, so we don't want to continue to this suffering again in this state. That's why we are crying.
Yes,
for the whole world to hear us.
Yes,
Let the whole world come to our head. Let the whole world speak on our behalf.
Yes,
Let the country Nigeria speak on our behalf. Let them speak for our streets. People that are living there, they are human beings.
Yes.
We are not animals. We are human beings. We are Bayatas. We are complete Bayatas. Let the whole world, let the hear that they hear our cry. And say to governor, to come and rescue us for the flood. That is why the women are gathered here today.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Making jump pass. Thank God, son. I gather here. Anything where the video here, the whole world now they see them. Anything where they do here, the whole world now they see them.